Raylux family, today I'm going to be making a demo video showing you how to set up your Raylux 14-in-1 Smart Touch food processor. Come along with me. So these are all the components that come alongside the Raylux 14-in-1 Smart Touch food processor. So let me just show you one or two of them. So this right here is the cube cutter. It comes with a cube cutter. It comes with a masher as well. It comes with a potato masher. You can mash your potatoes, your carrots, any veggies of your choice. And it comes with different types of slicing discs. You can use both sides. That's the beautiful thing about this. You can decide to use this side in maybe slicing your carrots, and you can use the other side in chopping your cucumber, your cabbage. So it comes in different sizes. It comes with this for your French fries. Yeah, if you're a lover of French fries, it comes with this disc as well. And guess what? You can also use both sides. And it comes with this one as well, perfect for your okra. If you want to match your okra, anything, your what's it called, your potatoes, it comes with this. And this is also another size of the disc. And yes, it comes with wicks for your egg wicks. Just like this, you push this in. Sorry. Okay, now to set this up, all what you need to do is just to push this in. Can you see? You push this in. It comes with this beautiful egg wicks as well. Then it comes with two blades. Yes, this is the first blade, the stainless steel blade, and it comes with this plastic dough blade as well. And it comes with a spatula as well. It comes with this pusher. This one here is for your cube cutter. So when you're done with your cube cutter, you place this right here. You see this part? You place it onto this part of your cube cutter. You set it in like this. You use it to push out whatever is left. Maybe you're cutting your carrots and you have some left in between. So you just use this to push it out. That is what it's meant for. Then it comes with this beautiful dry meal as well for your ogbono, your egusi, your dry pepper, anything at all. And guess what? This is also a whisk. I'm sure most of you don't even know this is also a whisk. It serves the same purpose as this as well. The same way you use this, the same result you get with this whisk is what you're going to be getting with this as well. Yes, it comes with two whisks. And it comes with this roller as well. This blade right here, I'm going to show you how to set it up for your cube cutter. You use this for your cube cutter. I'm going to show you how to set this up. It's a 3-in-1 pusher. You see the first one here, you insert this, and this is the third one. It's a 3-in-1 design pusher. Okay, so now to use any of this slicing discs here, any of this stainless steel slicing discs, you pick your roller, you place it into the food processor, then you check the sides. Do you want to match or do you want to maybe slice? If you're matching, for example, you can use this side. If you want to slice, you use this side. Okay, with time, you become much more conversant and you know which blade suits what you want to do. For example, personally, when I want to make my salad, I use this side of the stainless steel for my carrots and even for my cabbage. If I want my cabbage looking bigger, I can use this other side. So now, for example, you want to use this particular slicing disc or any of the slicing discs, the same process you use in setting them up. So once you drop in your roller in here, you pick the slicing disc. The side you want to use, you ensure that side is the one at the top. Then you place it inside the food processor. Then you pick this up. You lock this up by the side. I'm still going to show you how to lock this up properly. Then you pick the pushers. You insert this. You ensure you key it up properly. Then you can start using it. So if you want to use any of the stainless steel discs, this is the same process you use in setting it up. So now let's move on to the next one. Now to use either of this blade, either the stainless steel blade or the plastic dough blade, just bring out your roller and fix it in like this. Ensure you fix it in properly. Please be careful with your hands. These blades are extremely sharp. So once you're done with that, you put this inside the food processor bowl and you lock it up perfectly. Then you can start processing your beef, your pounded yam, anything at all. For your dough blade, you can use it in mixing your flour, for your meat pie, for anything at all. You pick your roller and do this. Can you see the way I've set this up with the roller? Then you insert the roller in the food processor bowl and you seal it up perfectly. Then you can use this to whisk your egg. If you want to make ice cream for your kids at home, your whipping cream, this will be a perfect job. Now to use this particular whisk disc, very easy. Just bring out the roller and insert this in it like this, looking like this. Then you just drop it in your food processor bowl. Trust me, it's going to give you the same exact result as the other type. Okay, so now let's move on to the cube cutter blade and this masher. To use the cube cutter blade, the first thing you're going to need is this particular part. It comes with a 14-in-1 food processor set, this part here. Now you're going to ensure this open part here aligns with this handle here. You're going to make sure you insert the open part close to the handle here, like I'm doing here, and you make sure it keys in. It has to go in properly, if not, it's not going to lock up. If you're seeing it like this, let me show you. If it is like this in the bowl, it is wrong. This right here is wrong. This part is supposed to be here. Hold on. It's supposed to be here. Can you see? It is supposed to be close to the handle of the food processor board, like I just did. The next thing we're putting in here is the cube cutter blade. Now, look at this cube cutter blade closely. You see this part here? This is the back of the cube cutter blade. This is one that will be on top. This part here, you can see the lines at the back here. That is the inside. Let's use the word inside. This is the inner part of the blade. So make sure this part is what is facing the top. This is the part you're going to place in here. Make sure the blade is sitting in here properly. So once you're done with that, it's very easy. Just slide your blade in. Can you see? So once you're done with that, the next thing you're going to be needing is this blade, this stainless steel blade. You drop it here on top of this cube cutter you already set, just like this. Can you see what it's looking like now? You drop it down here. Then the next thing you're going to be needing is this plastic cover. See? And now you're going to ensure this open hole right here is aligning with this cube cutter you set here. You're going to drop it and you're going to make sure it is aligning. So once it aligns, you key this up. Aha. So can you see that this open part in the plastic is aligning with the blade, the cube cutter blade? So once you're done with this, you place it on your food processor back. Then you pick the cover and lock this up perfectly. Perfectly. Very easy to do. And you see, you can then decide to dice your carrots, your potato, anything at all you're cooking back, then you can decide to dice it. So that is how to set up the cube cutter for the Raylux 14-in-1 Smart Touch food processor. Now, the same process you used in setting up the cube cutter is exactly the same process you're going to use in setting up this masher as well. You're just going to replace the blades. That's all. So now, let me show you how to key in this properly. For the dry mill, is actually easy. Just make sure you lock it. Ensure you lock it properly. It is properly locked. Ensure it is properly locked so it doesn't spill on your machine. Once it is locked, just key it in right here. That's all. So when you want to lock your food processor, please take note of this. The handle should be by the left side, not in front, not at the back. No, it's not going to come on. Your food processor will not come on. It will be by the left side like this. Yes, the pointy part in this cover here is supposed to slide in at the back here. Can you see? It's supposed to slide in at the back of the food processor, at the handle of the food processor. If you're done setting up this part and you decide to remove this part right here, your food processor is not going to come on like this. It would not come on. Let's test it. You see? It's just going to be reading, but it would not come on. It would not work. So now, you see this part right here. It is very important for the food processor. This part that looks like a nail. You ensure you key it in this handle, the black handle here. You key it in like this, gently. Once you put it in, see? Your food processor starts working. Okay, now let me show you how to operate the soft touch part. You can see now it is pointed on 0. Can you see? So now to use any of this button here, you put the food processor on M. That is manual mode. So once you put it on M, this is a pulse button. This is a smoothie button. This is the ice button. This one right here is the dough button for making your dough if you want to make your dough. And this one right here is the auto clean button. Now to use any of this button, for the pulse button, just the way you use it for your blender. You know we told you this engine right here, it is a blender engine. So yes, it has the same work system like a blender. For you to use the pulse button, you just tap it like this. And you release it just the way you release when you're using the pulse button in the blender. You tap and release. Now for the second one, you do the same thing. Just press this and you can set the timer. It starts counting down. It's telling you it's going to work for 3 minutes. You're going to let it count down. If you want to stop the counting down, you can just press it again and it stops, or you allow it to run its course. So when you're done using your food processor, just pour in your liquid soap and water. Then you can use the auto clean function. It's going to help you wash your food processor bowl and it's going to wash it clean. Can you see it is counting down itself? So the same thing applies to all the buttons here. Now, if you don't want to use the manual function, you take it back here to the 0, then you turn it this other way. Now you notice that the higher the speed goes, the louder the sound is going to get. See? Did you notice? It's still working like this, but it is on the lower speed. Can you see? Now to increase the speed, you just turn it. So that is how to set up your Raylux 14-in-1 Smart Touch food processor. Thank you for watching. And if you've not grabbed this product, you're darling. Let me just tell you. Because this particular machine here, it comes with the same engine as a blender. It's going to crush everything and anything. A regular food processor comes with about 500 or 600 watts. This is a 1,500 watts pure copper engine. You know, at Raylux, we always try and upgrade. We always try to give you something better every time. This food processor right here, it is a banger. And guess what? Everything right here, it is a Smart Touch food processor. We just didn't name it Smart Touch just for the fun of it. No, it is a Smart Touch food processor. And guess what? It has 25 stepless speed. You can decide to increase the speed gradually. You can decide to increase the speed of this food processor gradually. It has 25 stepless speed. You can also decide to use the preset timing like I've shown you already. Thank you. Bye.